I just wanted to extend a warm welcome to you for taking General Psychology 1. Indeed, this may very well be your first psychology class. The course description is as follows. This course is an introduction to various areas of psychology, including scientific investigation and leading theories. Some topics will include foundations and the history of psychology, research methods and strategies, sleep and dreams, drugs and consciousness, motivation, emotions, the foundations of human behavior, sensation and perception, and the various learning concepts, and more. The goals and objectives of Gen Psych 1 are integrated with the college's general education goals. After completing this course, the successful student will have the following knowledge and skills. Utilize critical thinking skills to analyze psychological theories and research data. Describe human behavior and mental processes from various theoretical perspectives in the field of psychology. Identify the interrelationship between human biology and psychology, and identify the manner in which psychological research on memory relates to college study skills. I hope you are excited as I am to start this new semester. Please contact me if you have any issues, questions, or concerns.